which I'm a little bit nervous about, seeing as I have a fairly small appetite, but I love burgers, so I'm going to try my best and just see what happens. Okay, so they've given me this big thing of Coke, but I'm not going to drink that yet because I don't want to be filled with gas before I start eating. So they're going to give me this massive burger, huge, and fries as well. I'm going to kind of alternate between the burger and
Again, the fastest guide is in 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Just make sure you leave the milkshake for the last, so it melts a little bit. Otherwise, you're gonna have a brain freeze. And yeah, go for it. When you're ready. You ready?
yeah,
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
How do you even start?
Just go for it. You know?
Go for it.
What people do is they normally eat one patty at a time.
Like, oh, it's really hot.
Oh, just put it on the side. Yeah, like that. And take one patty at a time. Yeah, like that. That's fine.
Like that. It's actually quite nice. Yeah, I'm not feeling too bad yet. So it's been 3 minutes. Okay, so I haven't beaten the record, but I wasn't expecting it. I'm starting to struggle. The sauce is amazing though.
What sauce is it?
I don't know. Like burger sauce. I'm already full. I mean, it's nicer than I was expecting, but it's just huge. So I've just finished doing the Devastator challenge and I failed, unfortunately. Feeling a little bit sick now, but holding it all down, it's okay. Yeah, it was a really good burger though, and it was a really nice place. The waiter was really lovely, and enjoyed the overall experience, even though I couldn't stomach an entire burger. But would definitely recommend it to anybody who thinks they can take the challenge.